Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're talking all things fall and we're going to talk about some of our must-haves for this upcoming season. I don't want to spend too much time on this intro. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I can't wait to share with you all these goodies that I have in front of me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would love for you to join our little family here on YouTube. And with further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I want to talk about is I think the first thing that everyone talks about are candles. So Leaves by far from Bath & Body Works is my all-time go-to favorite. I always have a stocked up collection here at my house, and this is constantly burning. Somewhere in my home, this is burning. I don't care if it clashes with another candle, then I just won't burn the other candle because I always have to have Leaves. This is like the epitome of fall. I do like a few other candles and I will switch it out, so if I burn through this, I won't do it back to back, but of course this is constantly burning like one way or another. Leaves by far is my absolute favorite candle for the fall and definitely a must-have for me. My second favorite candle, and I'm gonna have to be very careful because it is lit, and this is Sweater Weather. I cannot say that name right for whatever reason because I've tried to say it multiple times in the last like 2 weeks and I always say Sweater Weather. Like it's a hot mess. This is Sweater Weather and this is by far a must-have for me as well. Absolutely, hands down. This and Leaves are probably my two go-tos. I do stock up on this one as well and a third one that I'm about to mention also, but it's only because this to me, so Leaves is very fall-esque in my opinion. Like I smell that, I think of fall. Sweater Weather is when I'm craving just a cool crisp day, or even when it is a cold crisp day, I just have to light it. It just smells so refreshing and clean while still giving that hint of like a fall wintry-esque feeling. I hope that made sense. Anyways, it smells great. If you don't have it, go pick it up. It's absolutely awesome. Must have. I'm probably going to say that a million times in this video, but it is a must have. Must have it. Sweater Weather. Bath & Body Works. So my third favorite is Flannel by Bath & Body Works. Unfortunately, I do not have it here to show you today because I've completely ran out of my back stock that I usually keep here at the house. I burnt my last one like a week or two ago and I'm so mad that I just didn't go and get one, but I just haven't had the time really. So I do just want to put the notes right here. Bath & Body Works, I believe, makes two versions of flannel, and the version that I like is the one that comes out in the fall season. I do not like the winter one. Whatever the other combination are of those ingredients, I'm just not a fan of. I actually fell in love and found this particular one last year, and for whatever reason, I just thought, oh, it's the same candle. It's the same flannel I've been smelling all these years and just, I hate. But for whatever reason, I smelled it again and it was amazing. And so last year I then saw that they came out in new packaging during the winter and noticed that the ingredients were different. So I do think they have two versions. Again, I'll put the notes at the bottom of the screen. Flannel from Bath & Body Works happens to just be one of those candles that puts you in like a just very fall cozy home. I don't like food scents. I think they're a little overwhelming and I know a lot of people enjoy them during the fall season especially. I do not. So my fall scents, I really prefer a more clean, woodsy type of environment or aroma, if you will. Bath & Body Works, I know all three I've mentioned are from there, but they by far have some of the best candles that really light up a room, really just fill the rooms with the amazing aromas that they give off, and I think they offer a wide variety that really fits anyone's home. Oh, I'm already hot and bothered by fall. It is like 90 degrees here in Florida, so I'm trying to feel all fall-esque and everything, and Florida's just not having it. So my favorite fall drink is one that actually doesn't really exist anymore. A couple years ago, I believe it was the 2015 fall season for Starbucks. It was one of the drinks that they had brought out that year but did not bring back the following years, and so it really just stuck around for like a fall season. It was a Toasted Graham Latte. I'm not sure if any of you guys recall that drink, but it was, oh my gosh, it was so heavenly. It was like the perfect fall drink. It was the perfect drink, and I would drink it all year long if you let me. Even though they didn't bring it back, there were a lot of people out there that were really upset about it and came up with a bunch of copycat recipes. I did find the perfect copycat recipe, so I will link it down below so that way you guys can check it out as well. But yeah, I don't know if you guys remember that drink, but it was just the most perfect drink. So really, I mean, as far as my fall favorite drink goes, I just recreate that recipe through the copycat recipe thing that was through Pinterest. So yeah, that's my favorite fall drink. That was a weird description. So this is really weird, but my favorite fall home like accessory I have to have wouldn't be like a bathrobe or slippers, or it would be a blanket. Okay, just a straight up blanket. Just a plush, warm, cozy blanket. I can cuddle up in my bed, on my couch, doesn't matter. Like, I want me a good blanket. So I finally found one this year, and this is my absolute like new favorite fall blanket. Fall blanket? Just blanket. So this is actually from Nordstrom. I will link this down below. They come in like 12 different colors, if I do recall. Don't quote me on the 12. There's a ton of colors. I don't actually know if this blanket is called anything in particular, but it does have this like fringe on it, and I think it's so cool. It's only on two ends. Like, this is a completely straight edge, and then this has all the fringe on it, so it's just so soft. This is just the navy blue color. I don't remember the name of the actual color. Teal Gazer. That was the color. This is Teal Gazer, and it's absolutely stunning. I don't think the camera's picking up the actual true to color, but it is a true like just navy teal blue, and it's absolutely stunning. I absolutely love it. It just matches my decor so well, and so this was my favorite, but I think a good fall blanket's a must-have. So you know how like a lot of women will keep like the dust bag for their purses, or even the shoe box that their shoes came in? Well, I'm kind of like that with my jackets. My favorite fall clothing item must-have will be leather and moto jackets. So this is my newest addition. I will go into more detail about moto jackets and leather jackets in my fall essentials video that is coming soon. I'm just waiting on an order to get here, and then I will film and post that video. But this is my newest addition. Hold please. So this is by the brand Blank NYC. It's absolutely stunning. The hardware, the silver, just everything. Oh, it's just, I live, breathe, die for this. This is by far my must-have accessory is a leather jacket or a suede moto jacket. I am obsessed with my jackets to the point that they stay in like their own little dust bag, if you will. I love jackets. I think everybody needs to have a good quality jacket for the fall and winter season. And if you're just one of those people that are just like, I'm just not that into jackets, they're whatever, just look, you need a moto or a leather jacket. Again, I will go into detail about the ones you must have for the upcoming 2018 fall and winter season. But you must check out my video in next video or the video after, and I will go into more detail. But just a preview. This is my newest addition, and it's a must-have. Get it? Must-have? Yeah, no, okay. Never mind. Buy the jacket. It's great. So I'm not sure if people are really crazy about perfumes like I am. I think that scents are just something that really can describe a person. I think that sounds really weird, and just hear me out before you judge me. This is Gucci Guilty in the toilette version. I love Gucci scents. I think that they just have some of the best quality perfumes out on the market. As far as I go, I'm kind of crazy about my scents. I've only ever owned 2 perfumes. If you're not counting body splashes or body sprays or anything like that, I've only owned 2 perfumes in my life. The first was Gucci Premier, and I still stand by that. That's one I will, if they sell it, I will be purchasing it. And it is in the parfum version that I enjoy. And then the second scent I enjoy is Gucci Guilty. This is in the toilette version though, and this is by far my fall go-to. It just honestly, I can smell it through the cap. This is honestly just an amazing fresh scent that I think will work well with a lot of people. Go test out a sample at Sephora or Ulta. I'm pretty sure Ulta offers samples as well, and I guarantee you will fall in love with it just like I did. It's very fresh, very clean. I will insert the notes on the screen for you as well in case you're able to decide if you like a perfume through notes or not. I will insert those hopefully right here. Ooh, fall favorite movie. I absolutely love Halloween Town. I don't know if any of you guys out there like remember that movie at all, but the series, like I think they came out with 4 total movies. And I love Halloween Town. I think it was like the best movie ever. I watch that each year. It comes on like on the television, but I will seek it out through Netflix or some other way. I will find Halloween Town and I will watch it year after year. I think Halloween Town is by far the best movie ever for the fall season. My fall TV show. That one's kind of hard too because I don't really watch TV that much. Like I don't have a series that I watch on television that like releases a new series each fall. I do really like Big Bang Theory, and I know they're releasing that show in I think a week, and it will be their final season. And I really like that Last Man Standing is coming back because I love Tim Allen. I don't think he can do wrong. I think he's so funny, and I just absolutely love his television shows. I wish I could rewatch Home Improvement over and over again. Like I love Tim Allen. So I'm really looking forward to Last Man Standing coming back. That's like me and my boyfriend's show. Like we love that show. So that's really exciting. That comes out next week as well. So I'm really looking forward to that. But as far as like fall shows go, I don't really have one. If anyone knows me in my personal life, they like will tell you I'm obsessed with Friends. Like I've been watching it since I was a little girl. My mom got me hooked on it as a kid, and I just grew up watching it all the time. So much so to the point that I like used to steal her Friends DVDs and like hide out in my closet and watch them when I wasn't supposed to. Like it was bad. My addiction was bad to the show. And as an adult, I now have it on my TV every night on Nick at Night on Netflix. I have 2 sets of DVDs of the full Friends series, like all 10 seasons, in 2 sets of DVDs, and it's on my phone and my iPad. So I'm like Friends obsessed to the max. So during the fall season, I really like to watch the fall winter type episodes like over and over again. And I also love to pop in my Sex and the City DVDs as well. I do have the entire series of Sex and the Cities. So I do like to pop that in and kind of watch those episodes. I usually watch those usually in the fall and winter for whatever reason, not any reason in particular. I just tend to pop it in during the fall and winter season, like crawl up in my bed and just like binge watch it. So yeah, those are like really my favorite shows to watch. And other than the 2 that are being released next week, the other 2 are on DVD. And if you haven't checked out any of them, please go check it out because they're awesome shows, and I completely live by them. I'm obsessed. Oh, my favorite Thanksgiving food. That's hard. That's like really hard because my grandma makes amazing food. I look forward to her cooking every year. She taught me everything I know about cooking pretty much, and I love our Thanksgivings. I think my favorite thing though would have to be hands down stuffing. I think stuffing is just one of the things that if it's done right, oh, let me tell you, like that is a dish. I love stuffing. I do want to say that my grandma has like her own special recipes for sweet potato casserole and then also cinnamon pickles. That sounds really weird, but she makes the most amazing cinnamon pickles, and I like will binge eat them. They're so good. And then the cinnamon casserole, or not cinnamon casserole, the sweet potato casserole, that with the pecans and the sweet potatoes, and it's awesome. I absolutely love Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, if you guys don't know, I don't think I've actually mentioned it before, Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday, so I just love to eat. I'm such a foodie that it's really hard for me to pick a favorite food, especially on my favorite holiday, because I'm such a foodie. I don't really drink food. Food is where it's at. I'm all about some food, some good food. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for checking this video out. I really hope you guys enjoyed just as much as I did. I am so excited for this upcoming fall season and all that's to come. I've got a colorful tutorial coming for you guys, a cool tone neutral hint video or tutorial coming for you guys, as well as a fall essentials for this upcoming season for your fashion, clothing, all of that. So look forward to that. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. I always have at least 5 stocked up, which sounds excessive, but it's necessary. Okay. Till I just lost my train of thought. God, that was such a hot mess. If you guys like videos like this, go ahead and hit that thumbs. My God, why can I not talk today? And if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button as well, and let's just go ahead and get into it. She's full of sass. You want a sensible? Are you just resting your nose on it? Yes. No? Okay. Attitude.